Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are good. After a long time, we are again starting our online class. So I think you all excited to learn a new lesson. So now all of you take out your pencil and eraser to mark the important point. So student, in this chapter we will see computer using logo and performing some basic function like calculation, mathematical operation, print command and label command. Okay, so now when we will give command to computer to draw a triangle using logo, in this chapter I have taught you to draw figure using the logo. Now let us look what more can logo perform. Okay, now we all are know how to draw a triangle using a logo. In the chapter 6 I have taught you to draw figures using the logo. Now let us look what more can logo perform. Using logo command, a logo can perform or carry out mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, etc. Now let us look some logo command. Printed command. Okay, printed command. This command is used to print the result in command recall box. The alphabet PR is the short from the command. Print some following types of command in the input box. Print 1000. When you click on the execute key, you will see that the number 1000 will print in the command recall box inside the commander window. Since I have told you that short form of print is PR, now the command print can be written as PR 1000, which is also show the some value or result. When you want to write just one word, use the double quote just before writing the word and end up it with the same quote. Suppose for example you want to write black, type PR black and click on the execute button. You will get the following result, this execute black. Okay, when you want to write more than one word, you have to write the text using the square bracket. For example, type PR, the color of my hair is black, bracket close, and click on the execute button. You will get following result. Okay, now we are discuss about label command. The label command also allows to you to write the text or number in the vertical direction on the drawing area of MSW logo window. Type the following command in the input box, level 1000. On clicking the execute button, you will see the following result. When we clicking the execute button, we will see this result, okay, in our screen. If you want to write some text on the drawing area in vertical direction, then you have to use double quote. Okay, this is double quote for one word or square bracket for more than one word. Let us see an example. Say you want to input your first name, then you will write the command as label Aman and click on the execute button. This is the screen when we use to this quote and bracket. square bracket. Okay, and write our first name, first letter in our name, Aman. This one is this is the way how to use label command. Now write the following command label Aman Sharma, and this label is first of all we are use the square bracket. After that we write our name. After that we close the bracket and press the execute button. Okay, this is the procedure we are show in this our computer screen. When you use the label command, the text or numbers appear in the direction in which the turtle is pointing. This means that you can write any text in any direction as your turtle is showing, not just vertically. Now look at the following example. Type the following command RT60 label Monday. This will write Monday in the same direction as the turtle as position. Okay, this is the example. Okay, when we write RT60 label Monday, this will write Monday in the same direction as the turtle as position. Thank you for watching. I hope it would be beneficial for you. In the next class we are discuss about the label command.